Most people think wealthy individuals have one big secret: a high-paying job, a lucky business, or an investment that suddenly changed everything. But that's not how real wealth is built. In reality, most financially stable people don't rely on one income source. They build a system that creates multiple income streams from a single starting point. And once you understand this system, your one income source stops being just survival money and starts becoming a wealth engine. Let's start with a simple truth. If you only have one income source, you are financially vulnerable, because the moment that source stops, everything stops. Rent becomes pressure, bills become stress, and savings disappear fast. But there is a way out of this cycle. Not by working harder, but by restructuring how your money and skills flow. Step 1 is what most people ignore. Your current income is not just money, it is seed capital. Let's say you have a job, freelancing work, or small business income. Instead of spending everything, you split it into 3 parts. One part for survival, one part for skill building, one part for building a second income stream. This is where most people fail. They treat income as consumption instead of expansion. Now comes the real system. You don't need 10 ideas. You need one income converted into 3 layers. Layer 1, skill extraction. Every income source has hidden skills inside it. If you work in a pharmacy, you learn customer behavior. If you work online, you learn communication or editing. If you do freelancing, you learn problem solving. Most people use these skills only to earn a salary, but wealthy thinkers extract these skills and convert them into services. Layer 2, side income creation. Now you take one skill and create a small secondary income stream, not something big, something simple. For example, teaching that skill online, doing small freelance work, creating digital content, offering a microservice. The goal is not big money at first. The goal is system expansion, because now your income is no longer single source. It has started multiplying. Layer 3, asset building. This is where real wealth begins. Instead of trading all your time for money, you start building assets. Assets can be digital content like YouTube videos, online audience, small digital products, long-term investments. Even one simple content channel can turn your knowledge into long-term income. This is how one income becomes multiple streams, not instantly, but systematically. Now here's the turning point most people miss. You don't need to quit your job. You don't need huge capital. You need reallocation of attention. Instead of spending all your energy surviving the month, you start building a system that survives for you. Let's make it real. Imagine you have a single salary. First month, you just manage expenses. Second month, you save a small portion. Third month, you start a side skill income. 6th month, you start content or freelance expansion. 1 year later, your income is no longer one stream. It becomes a small ecosystem. And ecosystems grow even when you are not actively working. This is the exact difference between people who stay stuck and people who slowly escape financial pressure. Not luck, not sudden success, just system thinking. So if you take one thing from this video, take this. Your goal is not just to earn money. Your goal is to build a structure where money can come from more than one direction. Because once you have multiple streams, losing one no longer breaks you. It only slows you down. And that is where financial freedom quietly begins. Not in a moment, but in a system you build one step at a time.